What am I doing?
Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how do I make this much money at 25-year-old looking like this. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and watch till the end because I'm gonna give you some genius ideas on how you can make money as well. My name is Yulia. I'm 25-year-old. I was born in Ukraine. I live abroad since I'm 19 years old. I live as a digital nomad for the last, 3-4 years. Work in digital marketing, social media marketing, and everything connected to marketing and making money online. I'm kind of person that likes to dig and go deep. If I'm interested in something, I would learn everything that is accessible to me. I think, that's a big part of why I can make this much money this young. Last month I made $7,000, which I converted in crypto, and it also grew. First of all, I want to tell you guys that we are living in the age of abundance, and I really believe so. 21st century is offering us so many resources. The number one resource we have today that is completely free, accessible to almost everyone who has a phone and internet, is knowledge. Anyone can take knowledge today because it's a resource that you can convert into material resource, which is money. If someone is not making money in today's world or feeling not enough, what should I tell you guys? Shall I tell you the truth? I think it's a victim mindset. And I think anyone can do anything. I do believe so, and I do know so. Doesn't sound like a very motivational video, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna move better. First time I'm doing video like this where I reveal a little bit about my personality and who I am and what I do. So how do I make 4 to 5 figures from $1,000 to like $10,000 as a 25-year-old? Number one thing is social media marketing. That was something that helped me to enter the world of marketing. I was 22, I think, or 21 when I first started doing it. I was just like miserable and I didn't make any money back then, and I was living at my mother's costs, and I lost my offline job, and I was like, but I really loved Instagram. I really wanted to be an Instagram blogger, and I believed that if I'm a blogger, then everything is gonna be super easy to make money because you have like this followers base. So eventually I started to learn everything I needed to know in order to become a blogger, is how to write text, how to make photos, how to create aesthetic feed, how to create stories. Later on I started to learn about storytelling, about how to write scenarios for the blog and how to engage the audience, how to talk to your audience, how to grow the numbers in terms of reach and engagement. But honestly, I never had enough time, consistency in terms of getting the audience. I have like 2 Instagram pages. One is the English page, which I put the link down below, and the second one is my Russian blog. I'm not Russian, but Russian language is my mother tongue. And I never talk there about marketing. It's more like a lifestyle blog. And I never had enough of consistency, and I didn't push enough my growth because the organic growth back then didn't really exist on Instagram, and I didn't want to invest too much money and time, and I just got into social media marketing as a manager, and I was busy with like making money, and my blog was just there for fun. Maybe one day I will start to take it seriously and do something to grow it and invest time and effort and money, but at the moment I'm okay with 1,000 followers that I have that already became close connections and friends. So social media marketing. I learned everything in order to become a blogger, but then I was converted into social media marketing for business. So I started to work with a corporation, then I started to take some individual clients, but honestly with only this thing I would make from $1,000 to maybe $2,000 a month, because it's not very scalable. You can take a certain amount of clients, but there is like a limit to your physical abilities to really produce good content for these clients. I had this full-time job in a corporate and I had some individual clients. I had a team that I was leading. I created team, different kinds of systems. I was very lucky, I guess, but not only lucky, you know, I was really working hard for it and I would learn a lot. The things that I would do, the things that I would create, my ideas would bring a lot of money. And because people I worked for saw it, they would give me more and more responsibility. They would give me more and more freedom in creating things that I want. They would allow me to hire people, to fire people. Basically, they just gave me all the resources and were like, do your thing, just do your job, and that's it. I worked there for 2 years and then I grew. I started to create marketing strategies. This is not something as like a favorite thing to do of mine. I did it like for a few people and then I moved on to other things because for me I'm like interested in the results, and if I'm just creating marketing strategy and after I see that people do not implement and they cannot execute, they don't know how, they don't have the resources, I get disappointed and you know, like this, I'm like, what do I work for? So I stopped doing this and I moved on to something more interesting. The things that I do now and is my main source of income for today, it's called the producer in informational business world. If I put it simply, I help experts to monetize their knowledge. So there is different types of experts. For example, you have your expertise in different fields. You know how to create stories, sing, you're a coach, you created your product or you don't have your product yet, like online course. It can be different business models, and for that you also need producer. The thing is that most of people that have their expertise in a certain niche, they don't have the marketing and sales expertise. That's why they cannot effectively sell their knowledge. That's number one problem. And second problem, a big problem in the market today, that online education is not regulated, and that's why experts are creating their products just like, okay, I want to create a course, maybe I make money. I just need to tell you straight away, I'm not in for the money. Money is just nice bonus that I have. I'm in first of all for the quality product and for this market, and because I believe that marketing is not pushing sales, and it's not about, you know, just bringing you money, putting a money machine into your house. It's more about giving people the product, the quality product, the value that they need. They really, really, really need, not you think they need. That's first of all. And second of all, the product has methodology and that brings people to results. Because most of experts in today's world, they kinda create video books and they call it courses. What I mean by that is just they're talking on a video like I do now, and then they sell this and they say that this is a course. It's not. This is not the course. The course is something like in school or university. It has methodology. It makes sure that people that bought this got results. That's very important. I have this huge background of skills, of knowledge, of already hard results in terms of money. I know how to create good products. I have a team, connections. I know people. I'm not looking for clients today. They honestly just find myself. That's why I still don't have a landing page or anything like that. Just people find me through people and want to work with me. I do the full marketing range for these people. My role in this is like an entrepreneur. I figure out what they need to do, how they need to do it, how do we sell, how we market product, what value we give to customers, what results customers will get. I also try to make sure that customers get their results, because for me there is no interest to market shitty products. I care about my reputation. I don't know about other people, but for me, I care about good quality products. Usually when I enter a business, minimum I will do X2, but I have no interest in that, because I take 50% of the profit, sometimes more, sometimes less. It depends on what exactly do I do and how much effort and time my client want me to put in, how long we are in this together, if we are creating the product together or they have already their product created, etc, etc. But because I make any business much more profitable than it used to be before I entered, I take a percent of sales, and it's normal. Then what else I do? Investments. Investments is for me not a source of income for today. Crypto, yeah. I invest in stock and I invest in crypto. In stock for the long term, and crypto, I believe in Bitcoin. I believe that's new financial system that already changed the world, and that's the first ever right money that we never have before, because our money are kind of broken, because you can print more of it anytime if you know the guy who knows the guy who knows the guy. We know how it works, guys. Yes, I am bullish Bitcoin and I invest money in Bitcoin, and since I started it was $10,000. Today it's like 40. But I don't really believe in shitcoins, and I don't really like what I see happening today in this trading market. It's like Wild West, you know, of Wall Street. Everyone is trying to trade and make money. Oh, the sun is going down, I need to finish this soon. So I don't do this. I don't trade. I'm just putting money in and I just see how it grows. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all I do. About marketing and about my producer's job, I will make videos on this channel about it. I'm not trying to sell you any course or anything. At least now, in this present moment, I'm not interested in that. But I'm interested in passing my knowledge to other people, and if it helps you to change something in your life, that would make me really happy. And also I wanted to tell you, maybe you can use it as an idea. I have this Russian blog where I speak mostly about biohacking and the things that I'm really interested in, the other side of my hobby and my wide range of interests. So I talk about basically Gen Z and like humankind and humans as a system, and I'm thinking to make a paid subscription into my close friends, because I want to give there more practical tips, more practical information, and people tend to devalue everything that they get for free. That's why. So maybe you can use it as an idea. I don't have any affiliate marketing income. I don't sell my own courses. I never even opened consulting services, but I'm considering doing that as well. I don't have passive income streams at the moment. I want to grow my income streams. That's one of the reasons I'm here on YouTube channel. I want to monetize it as well, at least to pay my editor, not from my own pocket, you know. And you would, guys, really help me if you would subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and comment. If this was interesting for you, let me know if you want to know more about it. And how much money do you make today? How much money do you want to make? And what stops you? You know, what are you lacking in your opinion? Is that skills, time? I don't know what else. I don't know what people are lacking in today's world to make money, so please let me know. I hope you guys like this video. I post video once a week, so subscribe to my channel. And see you next week.